Hello there. I'm Dori O'Neill, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to the Master Affiliate Profits community. You're here because you're ready for something better, something real, and I believe deep down that we're all our brother's keeper. That means looking out for each other, lifting each other up, and making sure no one gets left behind. As a new member of this family, you deserve the kind of support that lets you make money fast with ease using the Master Affiliate Profits platform. And I'm here to show you how, because your success matters to me. I've been around the block when it comes to helping people build wealth from home. Over the years, I've owned and operated successful network marketing companies, businesses that combined sparked over 1 million family owned work from home opportunities. That's 1 million dreams given a chance to breathe. Through my training and efforts, I've watched thousands of everyday folks like you turn their hustle into full time incomes. More than 2 dozen of those people went on to earn $1 million or more. That's lives that changed, families secured, futures rewritten. I know what works, and I'm bringing that know how straight to you. Success with Master Affiliate Profits starts with one thing: your first commission. The faster you earn it, the sooner you'll feel that rush of possibility. I'm going to show you how to make that happen. It doesn't require a dime up front. What it does require is action. See, I've learned something over the years building those million plus businesses. Not everyone makes it. The 80-20 rule is real. 20% of people, they take action, they succeed, they thrive. The other 80%, they don't even finish this video. And that breaks my heart because the odds are that 80% will keep spinning their wheels, never finishing, never starting, always wondering why life doesn't change. They make excuses instead of progress. So, right now, I need you to decide: are you in that 20%, the ones who earn the most, who build something real, or are you a quitter? If you're ready to be part of that 20%, if you're willing to do the work, stick with me, because in less than an hour from now, you could be on your way to generating real money with Master Affiliate Profits. Let's make it happen. You've already joined Master Affiliate Profits, at least as a free member, and that's a brilliant start. As a free member, you're entitled to a 25% commission on every sale you spark. The platform has a built in 90-day follow up system crafted by the genius duo John Thornhill and Omar Martin. Picture this: you send someone to your MAP affiliate link, they join for free, and then John and Omar take over. For 90 days, their proven sequence educates, inspires, and sells for you. When that person upgrades and buys, you get that 25% commission. No follow up required. You don't have to chase anyone down or craft the perfect emails. This isn't just new to affiliate marketing, it's a revolution. Poor follow up kills sales, but with MAP, that problem's gone. Your only job: get people to join for free. No credit card, no risk, just a willingness to say yes to something better. That's where my community building approach comes in. Below this video, you'll find a guide. Follow it. Create your own list. Create your own mini map community. Add as many people as you can: friends, family, anyone you care about. Invite them to join Master Affiliate Profits for free. You're not asking for their money, you're offering them a risk free shot at making money online. You're being their keeper, just like I'm being yours. And when they join our team, you'll get a notification. Send them this same guide. Have them do what you did. Rinse, repeat, succeed. Together, we're building something unstoppable. This is your moment. You're not just here to make money. You're here to create a ripple effect of success for yourself and the people you love. Take action now. Follow these steps and let's turn your first commission into the start of something extraordinary. I'm Dori O'Neill. I've got your back. Let's do this together. Enjoy the course.